Erosion of trust. Understanding its impact. Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore a very interesting and important English phrase, erosion of trust. Understanding this phrase not only helps in language learning but also in comprehending social and interpersonal dynamics. Let's dive in and unpack what this means. Erosion of trust refers to the gradual loss of confidence or belief in a person, organization, or system. Just like how erosion in nature slowly wears away soil or rock, erosion of trust is a slow and steady process that diminishes the strength of trust over time. It's not usually a sudden event but a series of smaller incidents or feelings that lead to a significant decrease in trust. Erosion of trust can happen for various reasons. Common causes include consistent dishonesty. When lies or half-truths are frequently told, trust erodes. Unfulfilled promises, repeatedly failing to keep promises or commitments. Lack of transparency, withholding information or being secretive. Unethical behavior, engaging in actions that are morally questionable. Inconsistency, acting in ways that are unpredictable or contrary to stated beliefs or values. How can you tell if trust is eroding? Look for these signs. Increased skepticism. More questions and doubts arise about intentions or actions. Withdrawal of support. Less willingness to defend or stand up for the person or organization. Communication breakdown. Less open and honest dialogue. Emotional distance. Feelings of detachment or indifference. Resistance to cooperation. Hesitance to work together or support each other's ideas. Is it possible to rebuild eroded trust? Yes, but it's challenging. Key steps include acknowledging the issue. Recognize and admit that there has been a breakdown in trust. Open communication. Have honest and transparent conversations. Consistent actions. Align actions with words. Be consistent. Patience and time. Understand that rebuilding trust takes time. Commitment to change. Demonstrate a genuine effort to make amends and change behaviors. Erosion of trust is a powerful concept that explains how trust can diminish over time due to various factors. Recognizing the causes, signs, and ways to rebuild trust is crucial in both personal and professional relationships. We hope this video has shed light on this important topic and will help you in your journey of English language learning and beyond. Remember, trust is delicate, and maintaining it requires constant care and integrity. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.